Hi everyone! Today, we're looking at Chief Architect and SketchUp, two powerful 3D modeling tools. Which one gives architects, interior designs, and hobbies the edge? Chief Architect is designed for detailed home designs, automatic construction documentation, and realistic renderings. SketchUp is incredibly flexible, fast, and widely used for conceptual designs and visualization. While Chief Architect automates a lot of technical work, SketchUp allows for creative freedom and quick iterations. SketchUp is lighter, easier to learn, and offers a free version. Chief Architect is more expensive, but offers robust professional tools for serious projects. So, for creative fast modeling, SketchUp is excellent. For in-depth residential projects with technical accuracy, Chief Architect is unmatched. What is your go-to 3D tool? Let us know in the comments below. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.